turn these into these. Today, we are going to make stuffed chicken drumsticks. Let us start. I have 10 chicken drumsticks here. Using a pair of kitchen scissors, detach the bone from the meat starting from the top. I've done stuffed chicken wings before, but doing drumsticks is proving to be more challenging. Finally, using the back of a cleaver, tap to break the bone. I'm leaving about an inch of the bone for easy handling. This is important. Remove all broken bone fragments from the meat. And bloody veins too. Use kitchen scissors to cut sharp edges to ensure a really smooth surface. Remove most of the flesh for the filling, but leave some for the shell or skin to hold its shape. Marinate bead bone chicken lightly with half tablespoon of salt and some ground white pepper. Rub into the skin and meat. Refrigerate while you work on the filling. Prepare the filling. Remove ligaments from the meat for the filling and slice into small pieces. Marinate with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of celery powder, half tablespoon of sugar, dashes of ground white pepper, some MSG, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix and marinate for at least 15 minutes. Mince and blend the filling. This dish entails a lot of work and can be quite messy to make, but it is all worth it if your family will enjoy the food. And now, let's go back to mincing. Add in a can of 225 grams of garbanzos or chickpeas. You can also get creative and put your own spin on the filling. Add a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to help bind the mixture. Blend into a smooth paste. Filling time. Open deboned drumstick and fill up the hollowed space with the mixture. down the mixture and try to make it compact to prevent gaps. Dab some cornstarch on the opening to seat it. Put in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to let the filling set. For the rest of the drumsticks, you can butterfly them and cook later. Cooking time. Heat some oil in a pan. This is optional. To add color, add annatto seeds to the hot oil. Lower heat and cook until oil turns into a reddish color. Remove seeds from the oil. Turn the heat back up. Put in the drumsticks. I am not cooking them through. I just want to brown them a bit and finish the cooking in the oven. In a preheated oven, bacon covered for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, flip the chicken and bake for another 20 minutes or until fully cooked through at 250 degrees Celsius. Let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing or serving. Thanks for watching.